Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have a guest with me. Yes, baby Ava's here. Yes, she's been having a rough night. I'm filming this at night. Anyway, I'm doing this neon look. So many obstacles came up during this video, but I still love how it came out. I'm loving the neon trend. I wanted to try it. I have some of the MYO pigments. I will have their website linked below. Before we go any further, go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell so you are notified when I post. I post every week new videos. So if you want to see how I did this neon green look, go ahead and keep watching. And yeah, let's go. So I am starting concealing because I want to make sure that green neon pigment can show up and show out and be bright. But later on you guys will see somewhere where I went wrong. But anyway, I'm just buffing out the concealer and I did as well as around my eyebrows too. And that was just a peek of the other colors. But we know I'm using the neon green. So I'm just patting it out, setting it with the Midnight Luxury powder in the banana shade. I didn't put that on screen. And then I'm using Juvia's Place palette, Masquerade Mini, to put down some transition shades, some brown colors, just so there's a kind of a gradient, something in between the bright neon and then like my highlight shade, and you know, just so there's something in between, so it's a nice transition. And then I brought it back old school YouTube. This is like one of the first things I brought. Not this actual one. This is, you know, of course a new one, but the white eyeshadow base from NYX. And I'm patting it out, laying it on because it's not the best. I definitely want to try the P. Louise eyeshadow base. But this is just what I had available. So I went back and forth with that and then just went back blending the edges. And I want to tell you, this is where I went wrong. Okay, I should have just applied the shadow without spraying the brush. But you know, I still made it work. You know, I went over it, but I definitely could tell, because I only did that on one side, and I could tell that it didn't help it be brighter, because the way neon colors work, they're not, you know, like the everyday eyeshadow. So I know definitely for sure next time I don't need to spray the brush. Having that NYX eyeshadow base was enough. Now I'm just blending out the edges, and then with this neon shade there was a lot of back and forth of patting color on, blending it out, patting it on, blending it out, patting it on, blending it out, because I really wanted to get it as bright and as true to color as I could, so I really had to pack it on. The pigment itself is pigmented. There's like good color payoff, but just working, I guess, the nature of neon pigments is a little bit different. And then I'm using the Lorac Pro palette, another older palette I have. I'm using the black shade just to deepen the crease a little bit, blending it out. And sorry if you hear background noise. That's my kids in the background, my daughter and my nephew, and then outside they are doing landscaping. But anyway, I'm blending out the edges, trying to make it as smooth and seamless as I can. And then into the face, you only see a little bit of the face. I will have a full updated foundation routine, but here I'm just applying the Best Damn Beauty oil before I do some correcting around my mouth and some blemishes. And while I'm filming, they look so bad in person, in my opinion. But then on camera, I'm like, girl, it ain't that bad. But you know, I'm just correcting and blending it out, and then as soon as I'm done blending it out, I'm gonna set it so when I go over, get ready to put my foundation on, that creamy concealer isn't moving around. So I'm just gonna lightly dust some Midnight banana powder over the blended out corrector, and then I'm gonna go in with my foundation, the CoverGirl Revitalist Healthy Elixir. And it looks kind of yellowy, orange, maybe greenish. I don't know exactly how to describe it. It looks a little off, we can agree, when I first put it on. But it oxidizes, so it it calms down and it does match me. So you guys will see in the outro that, you know, everything came together. And this, I'm sorry to tell you guys, is the last clip because there are a couple things coming up when I was filming, but you know, I still had a great look, great footage, so I still wanted to put this video up. But I hope you guys enjoyed this, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you have not, and I will talk to you guys later. Okay, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I didn't have all the clips that I wanted because I thought I was recording when I wasn't. I had to stop and see what she needed, but yeah, I still love how it came out. Make sure you are subscribed if you're not already. Go ahead and check out these other videos that I have and subscribe. I think that's the third time I'm asking, but you won't regret it. All right, see you guys next time. Bye.